we're going to carry out multiplication of matrix by a number. So this is another one. Look at scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication simply means multiplying a matrix by a number. So 2e. So you have a matrix E. So write E is empty. So 2e plus 2. 2e is empty. This type of multiplication is known as scalar multiplication. It's different from when we're multiplying a matrix by another matrix, multiplied by B. So the operation, how we carry out multiplication in this regard is different from how multiplication is carried out when it's a scalar multiplication. So this particular lesson is dedicated to multiplication of matrix by a number, which is scalar multiplication. The subsequent video we're going to look at multiplication of matrix by another matrix. So let's proceed. Solution number 1. If E is 1, 2, 3, 4, so write the matrix E 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so find row figure I to 5E. 5E is equal to, since E is this matrix, so 5E gives 1, 2, 3, 4. This gives us the matrix 5 times 1 gives us 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4 gives us 20. So the rule is that for this, the scalar multiplies all the elements in the matrix. It's just like you have in your algebra here, 2x plus 2. So open this bracket, this 2 multiplies all the elements in the bracket, so 2x plus 6. Same thing applies to scalar multiplication. Figure 2 minus E equals minus E. The coefficient of E is 1, which is minus 1, but the coefficient of E is minus 1, so the scalar here is minus 1. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4. This will give us matrix minus 1 times 7 gives us minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. Write this here. Minus 2, minus 4. That's it. Matrix number figure 3 minus 2 E. The coefficient of E in this case, which is the scalar, is minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is equal to minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. Minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. That's the matrix number 2. Okay, so number 2 says if B is equal to, so number 2, matrix B is equal to 0, minus 1, minus 15. So I'll find minus B. Figure 1 minus B. The scalar here is minus 1. 0, minus 1, minus 15. So equals to minus 1 times 0 is minus. Minus 1 times 0 is 0. Minus 1 times minus 1 gives us 1. Minus 1 times minus 15 gives us 15. Minus 1 times 10 gives us minus 10. So lower figure 2. Lower figure 2 says minus 3b. So this minus 3. B is 0. Minus 1. Minus 15. 10. Which is equals to, when multiplied by minus 3. So minus 3 times 0 gives us 0. Minus 3 times minus 1 gives us 3. Minus 3 times minus 15 gives us 45. Minus 3 times 10 gives us minus 30. Number figure 3 minus figure 3 minus 1 over 2b. Minus 1 over 2b. This is equal to minus 1 over 2. The matrix would be 0, minus 1, minus 15, 10, 10. Okay. This is equal to minus 1 over 2 times 0 will give us 0, minus 1 over 2 times minus 1, minus 1 over 2 times minus 1 over 1. This equals minus times minus is plus 1 times 1 is 1 over 2. This is 1 over 2. And so minus 1 over 2 times minus 15 plus minus times minus plus 15 over 2. 15 over 2. We can put 15 over 2 here, or we reduce it. 15 over 2 will give us 7.5. So we can say 7.5. Okay. So minus 1 over 2 times 10 over 1. So minus 1 times 10 will give us minus 10 over 2, which is equal to minus 5. Yes, minus 5. That's the matrix. Virtually says the following matrix X gives the prices of comparable articles by size and type. So A, we have 0.40, 0.10. So we have the size 0.4 and the type 0.10. So in naira, sorry, so these are the values in naira. Then we have A, B, C giving us this matrix X. So now if all prices are increased by 50%, the new prices matrix Y will be 3. Our matrix X is equals to 0.40, 0.10, 0.20, 0.50, 0.20, and 0.60. Alright, that's the matrix X. So the question says if all prices will increase by 50%. So you see normal price is equals to 100% before increment. So increased price is equals to 100% plus 50% is increased by 50%, which is equals to 150%. That's equals to 150 divided by 100, 0, that's equals to 1.5. So this implies that matrix X, since the increment, since there was increment by 50%, well, if a price increased by 50%, the price matrix Y will be, the new matrix Y will be affected by the increment 1.5. So matrix Y is equals to 1.5 of matrix X. That's 0.40, 0.10, 0.20, 0.50, 0.50, 0.20, 0.60. So matrix Y will be equals to 1.5 times 0.4, 1.5, 0.4, 0.6, 0.6, 1.5, 0.1 will give us 0.15, 0.15, and then 1.5 times 0.3, 0.45, 1.5 times 1.5 times 0.5, 0.75, 1.5 times 0.2. 0.3, 0.20, or go to decimal places, 0.20, and 1.5 times 0.6, and 0.9. So that will be matrix Y. So if Q is Q minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and L, matrix L, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5, minus 7. Now find a matrix such that 2k plus L plus n is equals to 0. So we're given matrix K, which is L. We're going to look for matrix N such that we'll get the matrix N if we add to L, add to matrix L plus 2 times matrix K, the result will be 0. So let's get 2k equals to 2 times minus 1, 0, 2, 4. This is equals to minus 2, 4, 6, 8. So, so 2k, so 2k plus L plus n is equals to 0. So it will give us 2 minus 2, 6, 4, 8 plus L. L has 4, 5, 6, minus 7 plus matrix n is equals to 0. So this will add these two together. It will give us minus 2 plus 4 will give us 2, 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus 6, 12, 8 plus minus 7 will give us 1 plus n equals to 0. So n will give us, since this is a matrix of numbers values and the 0 for the like term, so this will be 0 minus matrix 2, 9, 12, 1. So n is equals to all this yeah. So n will 0 minus this n will be multiplied by the scalar minus 1, 2, 12, 2, 12. N is equals to minus 2, 9, 12, 1. So n is equals to minus 1 times 2 will give us minus 2, minus 9, minus 12, and minus 1. So that's the answer. So the value of this, we add this to this, which is the sum of 2k plus L, 2k plus L to give us this. So this plus this, which is a matrix of M, will give us 0. That's the implication. So number 2, number 2, our matrix R is equals to 1, 2, 4, 2, and matrix S is equals to 0, 4, 1, minus 5. So we need to find 3R plus S. So 3R is equals to 3, matrix R1, 3, 4, 2, which is equals to 3, 12, 9, 6, so 3r plus s equals plus 3r2 9 12 6 plus matrix s 0 4 1 minus 5. This is equals 3 plus 0 is 3, 5 plus 4 16, 9 plus 1 9, 6 plus minus 5, this is 6 minus 5 1. That's the answer. 16. So this is 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. That's 9. 10.